If your YouTube channel has been stuck under 1,000 subscribers, I get it. You have been uploading, you have been trying, you have been watching other creators blow up while you feel invisible. But listen, you are not failing. You are just missing one crucial thing that every growing YouTuber eventually discovers. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do, what that thing is, and how to break past 1,000 subscribers faster than ever. Now, let's talk about the real reason why you are stuck and also how you can fix it today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Double Chief. And here we talk about all about YouTube growth, content strategies, and how to finally build a channel that grow even while you are asleep. And if you are really serious about growing on YouTube, if you are sure you really want to hit your first 1,000 subscriber and you want to grow on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today might just be the video that changed everything for you. So here is the harsh truth. Most small creators don't want to hear this. You are not stuck because YouTube is unfair. You are only stuck because YouTube doesn't know who you are yet. They don't know who you are. You have to teach the algorithm who you are. So when you are under 1,000 subscribers, the algorithm is not ignoring you. You get? It's only confused. It doesn't know who you are, like I said. It doesn't know who you are, who your videos are for, and who to push your videos to. See, when you are just starting out, your job is not just to go viral, but your job is to teach the YouTube who you are and what your content is all about. Think about it this way. YouTube is like a matchmaker. It wants to connect your video to the right audience. But if your videos are about gaming one day, cookie the other day, motivation the next day, YouTube don't know exactly the people or the audience to push your videos to. You get? So you need to focus. Clarity is number one. So your first mission is clarity. Clarity beats consistency every time. If your channel confuses the algorithm, it can't grow. But if your channel communicates clearly, this is who I help, this is what I teach, this is what every video I upload delivers, you will start to notice the algorithm testing your video to the right people. Let me tell you something very powerful. Every single YouTuber who break through 1K subscriber had one thing in common. They all focused. They didn't just chase random trend or upload whatever they felt like. They pick a specific audience and create content that serves that audience pain point. You get? The more specific your content becomes, the easier it is for YouTube to say, oh, this video is perfect for people who are just starting out. You understand? So be specific. And that's when the growth starts to compound. The growth starts coming because you are no longer fighting the algorithm, but you are working with it. Remember this, you don't go viral by reaching everyone. You only go viral by helping every person really well over and over again. Now, once your niche is clear, the next thing that holds most creators back is their message. You could have the best edited thumbnail, even value-packed video, but if your message does not connect emotionally, people won't subscribe, people won't stay, they will click off. Let's test something right now. Look at your last 3 video titles. Can a stranger instantly tell who your video is for and why they should watch it? Just for the reading of the title. If not, that's your first fix. Fix that. It's very important. You are not making random video. You are solving specific problem. So instead of how to grow on YouTube, say something like how to get 1,000 subscribers as a small creator. Also, instead of thumbnail tips, say something like the thumbnail trick that got me 10 times more click. That shift from a generic to personal. and relatable change everything. Because people don't want advice. They want a path they can follow. That's it. Simple and clear. Now, let's destroy the maths. You don't grow just by posting consistency. No. I know everyone will say, just stay consistent. But here is the truth. Consistency does not matter if you are consistently doing the wrong thing. You get? If you continue doing the wrong thing, you go nowhere. You won't grow on YouTube. So you grow by improving between videos, not just uploading more. When you post, ask yourself, did viewers click? Did they stay? Did they watch more? If you improve even one of these metrics by 5% each video, you will grow exponentially. Because YouTube is a feedback machine. It rewards creators who learn very fast, not just by posting fast. You get? So, consistency should mean consistently learning, consistently improving, consistently delivering value. You get? Here is what separates the creator who quit from the ones who blow up. Believe, just believe. When you have under 1,000 subscribers, every video feels like shouting into the void. But that's the stage where you actually build your character as a creator. You understand? So, if you can stay consistent and patient through the silence, you are already ahead of 90% of creators who quit too early. You understand? So, because every video is a data point, every flop teach you what didn't connect, and that's valuable. The YouTubers who you look up to today, they didn't just grow because of luck, though. None of the big YouTubers grow out of luck. They grew because they learned fast and they refused to give up before the algorithm understand them. Rather, they understood them. Yeah. So if you have been stuck under 1,000 subscribers, understand this today. It's not just because you are not good enough. It's because you haven't given YouTube enough clarity, focus, and time. So I advise you, focus on your niche. Speak to one person clearly and make every video a little better than the last one. You understand? If your sound is not okay, make sure the next video the sound is okay and all right. You understand? Do that and you will not only hit 1,000 subscribers, you will build a community that trusts you, believe in you, and also grow with you. If this message helped you, hit that like button so that so many small creators like you can see it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in my next video, I will show you exactly how to make your video blow up even with 0 view. This is Vibe with Double Chief, reminding you, you are not behind. You are just getting started. See you in my next video.